Hello and welcome to Knowledge Snippets. What motivates human behavior? Well, Maslow's hierarchy of needs is one of the best known theories of motivation. According to humanist psychologist Abraham Maslow, our actions are motivated in order to achieve certain needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs first introduced his concept of a hierarchy of needs in his 1943 paper, A Theory of Human Motivation, and his subsequent book, Motivation and Personality. This hierarchy suggests that people are motivated to fulfill basic needs before moving on to other more advanced needs. While some of the existing schools of thought at the time, such as psychoanalysis and behaviorism, tended to focus on problematic behaviors, Maslow was much more interested in learning about what makes people happy and the things that they do to achieve them. As a humanist, Maslow believed that people have an inborn desire to be self actualized, that is, to be all they can be. In order to achieve these ultimate goals, however, a number of more basic needs must be met, such as the need for food, safety, love, and self esteem. There are five different levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Let's take a closer look at Maslow's needs, starting at the lowest level, that is stage 1, known as psychological needs. Maslow's hierarchy is most often displayed as a pyramid. The lowest levels of the pyramid are made up of the most basic needs, while the most complex needs are at the top of the pyramid. Needs at the bottom of the pyramid are basic physical requirements, including the need for food, water, sleep, and warmth. Once these lower level needs have been met, people can move on to the next level of needs, which are for safety and security. Further up the pyramid, the need for personal esteem and feelings of accomplishment takes priority. Maslow emphasized the importance of self actualization, which is a process of growing and developing as a person in order to achieve individual potential. Maslow believed that these needs are similar to instincts and play a major role in motivating behavior. Psychological, security, social, and esteem needs are deficiency needs which arise due to deprivation. Satisfying these lower level needs is important in order to avoid unpleasant feelings or consequences. Maslow termed the highest level of the pyramid as growth needs. These needs don't stem from a lack of something, but rather from a desire to grow as a person. While the theory is generally portrayed as a fairly rigid hierarchy, Maslow noted that the order in which these needs are fulfilled does not always follow this standard progression. For example, he noted that for some individuals, the need for self esteem is more important than the need for love. For others, the need for creative fulfillment may supersede even the most basic needs. The basic psychological needs are probably fairly apparent. These include the things that are vital to our survival. Well, when we talk about the security and safety needs, the requirements start to become a bit more complex. At this level, the needs for security and safety become primary. People want control and order in their lives. So, this need for security safety contributes largely to behaviors at this level. Some of the basic security and safety needs include financial security, health and wellness, safety against accidents and injury, finding a job, obtaining health insurance and health care, contributing money to a savings account, and moving into a safer neighborhood are all examples of actions motivated by the security and safety needs. Next come social needs. The social needs in Maslow's hierarchy include such things as love, acceptance, and belonging. At this level, the need for emotional relationships drives human behavior. Some of the things that satisfy this need include friendships, romantic attachments, family, social groups, community groups, religious organizations, etc. In order to avoid problems such as loneliness, depression, and anxiety, it is important for people to feel loved and accepted by other people. Personal relationships with friends, family, and lovers play an important role, as does involvement in other groups that might include religious groups, sports teams, book clubs, and other such group activities. Next stage is that of esteem needs. At the fourth level in Maslow's hierarchy is the need for appreciation and respect. When the needs at the bottom three levels have been satisfied, the esteem needs begin to play a more prominent role in motivating behavior. At this point, it becomes increasingly important to gain the respect and appreciation of others. People have a need to accomplish things and then have their efforts recognized. In addition to the need for feelings of accomplishment and prestige, esteem needs include such things as self esteem and personal worth. Participation in professional activities, academic accomplishments, athletic or team participation, and personal hobbies can play a fulfilling role in esteem needs. People who are able to satisfy the esteem needs by achieving good self esteem and the recognition of others tend to feel confident in their abilities. Those who lack self esteem and the respect of others can develop feelings of inferiority. Together, the esteem and social levels make up what is known as the psychological needs of the hierarchy. At the very peak of Maslow's hierarchy are the self actualization needs. What a man can be, he must be. Maslow explained, referring to the need people have to achieve their full potential as human beings. Self actualizing people are self aware, concerned with personal growth, less concerned with the opinions of others, and are interested in fulfilling their potential. Hope you've enjoyed learning about Maslow's theory of hierarchy of needs and motivation.